Hey guys, Simon M here. Just wanted to do a video here on introducing you guys to altcoins, the other cryptocurrencies that came after Bitcoin. And here we are on Coinmarketcap.com. It's a nice resource, kind of comparable to like Yahoo Finance for the stock market or something like that. It's a nice place to starting point to do fundamental analysis to find things to invest in given whatever your risk tolerance may be. So here's Bitcoin. It's the largest cryptocurrency. It's the first one. Has a market cap of 202 billion at the moment. There's the price, the 24-hour volume, the circulating supply, and then we have all the others. So Ethereum is the number 2 cryptocurrency. Has a lot of potential, I guess. You can invest in Ethereum and you can consider it like a mutual fund of all the cryptocurrencies. Some call it that. So when Ethereum really takes off, the whole entire market starts going. And yeah, so just trying to make a comparison to the stock market here a little bit. The market capitalization is the value of the entire coin on the market at that point in time. And so just like there's blue chips in the stock market, you can call pretty much anything with over $1 billion in market cap. It would be considered a blue chip because they're more stable. They're projects and businesses that are more stable in this space, and there's not as much upside because they're more established. Even though there's some of these are a lot smaller than some stocks in the stock market, but that's okay. So then we have large caps, and those range between 100 million to $1 billion in market cap. Small caps are 10 million to 100 million, and then the micro caps are 1 million to 10 million in market cap. And then anything below 1 million, they're definitely really high risk, and I don't even bother doing more than 10 or 20 bucks at projects that look interesting to me. So anyways, let's see here. So just because something looks cheap in price does not mean it actually is. Like, so you see this XRP is 24 cents at the moment. That does not mean it's cheap. It's because there's a huge supply in the order of billions, whereas Bitcoin is just 21 million Bitcoin. XRP is tens of billions, and their market cap is 11 billion. I don't personally like XRP because it's a centralized cryptocurrency, and centralized cryptocurrencies are not good news. We want decentralized cryptocurrencies as they give power back to the people. So make sure to keep that in mind as you explore different cryptocurrencies. That's an important thing to keep in mind. All right, let's click on Bitcoin here. All right, so you can see here the max coin supply is 21 million. The circulating supply at the moment is 18 million, 18.5 million. So they have a historical price chart here going all the way back to 2013. Let's see, does it go back further? No, that's all the data they have for Coinmarketcap. But as we know, it was created in 2010. And so here's a little bit more data. You can look at, see 52 highs and lows and so on and so forth. Here's the website for Bitcoin to do more due diligence and your own research. Here's the Explorer where you can see transactions happening on the network. And yeah, let's see what that is. BitcoinTalk. This is where you can do more research, different announcements for different cryptocurrencies and the team behind those cryptocurrencies, and you can sort of hear directly from those people that are involved with each respective cryptocurrency. So yeah, market pairs. Oh yeah, this is important right here too. So these are exchanges that are traded. Here's a pair BTC Bitcoin against the US dollar stable coin cryptocurrency. So this is what I was getting at here though, was confidence. Binance is one of the biggest exchanges, so it has a high confidence on a scale of 1 to 100. It's very high. It's the most liquid exchange in the world, but it's not open to Americans. Here's Vindax. It has a low rating, low liquidity, I'm sure, or not low liquidity, but a low rating, and it's not as highly trusted for whatever reason, so probably steer clear of that. But generally speaking, like I've said in the past, it's not a good idea to keep large amounts of crypto on exchanges, because crypto exchanges can get hacked, the centralized ones for sure. I've experienced that before, so this is just another tool to look at here. And then here's some social media handles for Bitcoin. There's a Bitcoin Reddit, and there's the website. Let's go to the website real quick. So just showing you some ideas here on how to do some fundamental analysis, to do your own research, to vet out a project that you're looking at. So this is the Bitcoin website, or you can read about it, get a wallet, and there's a lot of information you can look at. So yeah. And then yeah, this is the first video in a series of videos I'll be doing on altcoins, just to give you guys a better idea on how to go about finding them and things like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Post those comments and questions in the comments below.